Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how you can fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome. The 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome indicates that your browser thinks you don't have permission to view a web page or internet resource at the specified address. Let's explore some quick fixes to resolve this issue. I will show you 4 steps for resolve this error. First, you have to refresh the page. To do that, you have to press Ctrl plus F5. I will go some web page to show you. Just type on www.google.com. Hit enter. Okay, now you are in Google web page. Now you need to do is press Ctrl plus F5. You can see the page is refreshing. You can do whatever times you like. It will fix your error. The second one is you have to check the URL. Ensure your URL is correct and doesn't end with / or any unnecessary characters. Like if you see this is the URL, it is end with this kind of / or some unnecessary characters dot or something. If there is here, just remove those and refresh again. It also helps to resolve this error. Third option is clear browser cookies and cache. To do that, you can see there is a 3 lines in top right corner. Just tap on it. Then there is an option called delete browsing data. Tap on it. And there are list of options here. Basic mode and advanced option also here. You can clear browser history, cookies and other data, cache images and files, and go to advanced tab. You can see there are more options here. Browsing history, download history, cookies, cache, password, kind of things. I just go to basic mode, and you can remove time range. The current is set as last hour. Tap on it and tap on all time. Then you can choose which information you need to clear. I like to keep all these clear. Then tap on delete data. It will completely remove your cache and cookies in saved in your browser. This is option number 3. And the last option is you can try Incognito Mode. To do that, you can again go to 3 lines in top right corner, and there is option called New Incognito Window. Just tap on it. Now you are in Incognito Mode. This also helps to reduce or resolve that kind of issues. So I hope you gain some knowledge from this video. Thank you very much. See you soon in new video.